And hello guys, today we are playing Bird Sonic, but in 15 minutes. So let's begin this game, shall we? So today we're gonna play Bird Sonic. Yes, from yesterday we just make a Titanic video. Now we're doing a Bird Sonic video. So let's begin the game. So let's go to Miranda, and this is the new game. And today is the one that today is the Bird Sonic date that is going to be synced into the game. The date of the series. Yeah, it used to be popular, but now it's not popular. Look at the player account. It's very good, but at least it's still okay. So in this game is one of the best games that will become fortunately become where you can play Titanic. And this is the Titanic this time that we want to vlog. And then look at our big ship called the Titanic. It looks like the actually it looks like a hospital, but I don't know what's this one. It's another one of the Titanic itself. But it became popular because it's part of the story. But the Titanic is one of the best ones. But they have a movie too on YouTube. You can watch it on YouTube about the Titanic. Yeah, it's full movie. So that's a good one. So make sure it's good, guys. So today we're surviving on it. So let's begin this game, shall we? So let's see what we do. Make sure like subscribe if we can do the saving. If we can do the saving the Titanic, but I'm gonna beat the coral. And if there's no captain on board, we'll cancel it though. Because there's no captain, that's bad. So that's our plan. All we need to do is to get the commander. Luckily, let's see if we have one. I'm gonna get more. Oh, come on. I really want to do it. Look at that. It's fun. It's just like the sound of the Roblox Titanic. But this is different. These have a boats, I guess, but they are pretty advanced. But they are pretty advanced. I guess. Look at the ship; it's so bigger than. Make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna make another movie about the ship, but I will name something. I don't know. I'll name something after the Bird Sonic, but it's a rip-off. So don't try this. So I'll make a cruise ship, yeah. A cruise ship. Or a I don't know. After my movie release called a cloud ship. And can someone tell me in the comments? I want to be a voice actor of a kid, somewhere black. If you are in this video directors, please let me have a voice actor of kids. I really want to let my viewers become not violent. Yeah. Because I just want to play. Yeah. So become one of the voice actors. Guys, what is happening? Guys, I think we hit something. What is that? Please tell me. Guys, we hit something. What is it? I don't know. Guys, I know this beautiful ship is a good one, but what's happening, guys? Guys, make sure to subscribe if you know this disaster. What's happening, guys? Hold up. Read this. Oh, mine. Oh, guys. It's a mine. What should we do? Okay, so plan. Oh, okay. I almost fall. If I fall, I'm dead into the propellers and I'm dead. Luckily, I survived on that. So here's our plan. It's mine, right? Let's see what's in the bottom. Guys, there's a big problem. It's a mine. What should we do? Guys, okay, don't worry guys, not panic. Maybe we will, guys, maybe we will, I don't know, get the lifeboats, okay. But we have to be careful of the propellers. Sometimes you'll be crushed by the propellers. I don't know why. So let's go. So swim difficult. Oh well guys, first of all, we have to be careful. I don't know what's that, but it's a mine. What should we do? Don't worry, maybe we go to lifeboat. So let's go. Oh come on, I'm not even a crew. Oh guys, look, guys, it's so identical. You know what that means? It will go to the boiler room, but it's so identical. Imagine, what if it copied about the Titanic after I know this. The developer will put the Titanic, but it's a different version. They added this. That's why, bro. Look, it's so familiar. And you know why about this? Because you see, they copied the Titanic of the game, and later they just covered it so they wouldn't go to the boiler room. Makes sense, right? Look, that's why they covered up. Yeah. So let's begin. Okay. So what's happening? First of all, we have to be careful for the propellers, and they even copied it. Trust me. And why is the Britannic is not stopping? Bro, why is not stopping? Hold up, why is it? I don't know. Make sure to subscribe if I'm gonna make the ship into a movie. The cruise ship. I don't know. It's a robot ship. But we'll take something about a special name. It's called the President. I don't know. The President Lifeboat. That's about it. Let's do it. The race lifeboat. That's too bad. Guys, let's go survive. Hurry, let's go. So make sure I subscribe. Let's jump into the boat so we would survive. And what they're doing right now, okay, first of all, I think I'm not gonna land. Oh no, guys, the boat! Oh, what's happened to the lifeboat? Oh no, wait, what's happening? What's happening? Oh, he jumped. What? Wait, he jumped. No way. Be careful before the propellers get in. Oh no! Wait, what happened, guys? What happened? Oh no! Whoa! Guys, do you see that guy? Oh, he dead. Oh no! Ah! RIP, I guess. Bye bye. I forgot. Bye bye. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for your loss, but I didn't know. Okay, guys, we have to be careful. Sometimes this is tricky. So let's get some So let's go. Let's go. Hurry before we are gonna be panic. I'm so panic. Panic! Oh. Guys, I failed. Guys, what's happening? Help. Luckily, it's a lifeboat. That's good. All we need to do is to survive. Guys, what should we do? Please don't let me die. It's dragging me because of the ship. Gross, help, bro. Wait, there's a hole. If we manage to do the hole, I don't wanna die. Please, I need this. Oh, this is yours. Guys, this is yours. Okay, don't worry. At least the boats are lowered. And let's be careful before we've been sink. Go. Please. Oh, this is... Oh, no. Get on. Oh, no. I'm going down. Please, don't let me please. Oh, help. Oh, no. Guys, get me a lifeboat. Get me a lifeboat. Oh no, I think I'm gonna die from the propeller. Please don't let me cause the death. I'm like this. Please, no. Don't worry, at least it's keep going. When the ship is not stopping. There it is. Climb on me. Ah! Help me. There it is. Now I'm in. Let's go. Finally I'm safe. Luckily I'm there. So I'm a driver. So after this to go front. If I'm not lucky, no, I'm safe. Luckily I survived. But, okay. Oh yeah. It works. Oh, where did I jump? Did I jump? Oh no. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? You're sinking the life mode. Let's go. Okay, guys. Guys, luckily we escaped from that scene. Whew. Okay, let's go. I don't know, but we're going in the island. I don't know what's happening. Stop, friend requesting. Oh well. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Let's go to the propeller, shall we, guys? Let's go to the propeller. Trust me. Please, bro. It's okay, guys. Luckily we survived, so that's good. Did the ship stop? Oh, look at that. Oh, what happened? It become white? Okay, luckily it stopped because it's getting faster. Luckily. Okay, guys, let's explore this thing, I guess. So this is the back, I guess. Luckily we survived. Trust me. I don't know how could I survive? And this is the back of the Titanic. It looks like Titanic, but identical. But we cannot go to the propellers. I will die if I do that. So there's so many. This is so many because of the designs. Trust me, guys. There's so many designs. So guys, make sure to subscribe. Look at the ship, bro. Look at the ship. Luckily, we are safe. We're going to abandon the ship. Okay, guys, luckily we make it. Guys, I don't know what's happening. Look at the ship. Hey, look at the funnels. Oh, guys, let's wait until it sinks. Luckily, we survived. Okay, guys, look at the ship. It is. Hey, Lucky! Hey, everyone, go to the ship! Go, go, go! Go! Oh, yeah. Come! Everyone! Ow! Come here, everyone! Come here, everyone! Oh no! First funnel has been... Oh no! The funnel! Oh! What? A big wave is coming! Oh. There's a big funnel that it fell there, guys. Which like spread. Everyone come here. We are going to the mainland. Maybe to later, guys. But look at this. At least... At least I'm a guys. Guys, look at this. What's happened? Look what happened to the Britannic. No way. Look at this. Look at the Britannic. It's getting fast. You can check if it's fast. Oh my god. Yeah. Come to choose our life. Come here. Oh no! We're spawning! Run! Oh no! The tunnel has broken. And look at the funnel. It's going down. Oh! You betrayed me! What? Wait, what? No! Oh no. We have to abandon. Okay, first of all, we have a funnel. After that, guys, he's the first of it.
Yes? Uh-oh.
I forgot, guys. I forgot how now I'm back in the ship. There's no choice,
Yes,
guys.
yes.
I
Okay.
mistakenly. I don't know what's happening. Luckily, we survived on that. But we have to run before everything. For real. Everything is gonna fall. Everything is gonna sink, and we're gonna die. Make sure like subscribe, guys. Oh Lord.
Make sure like and subscribe.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we have to go to the. Guys, there's no choice, guys. We could jump on it, but it's a bad idea. Ouch, that hurt, guys. Woo! No. No. Guys, what should I do? I'm gonna die. Look at that. Oh no, that's only funnel. Oh no, there's no lifeboat. Guys, this is gonna be the worst. Imagine if it's real. You're gonna slide like that line. Okay, luckily you make it, but it will just slide you off because it's the gravities. Okay, guys, let's go. We should subscribe. We're gonna survive in this ship. Okay, guys. First of all, look at the bird, Sonic. Look at the bird, Sonic. It's getting worse and worse. Look at the bro. What's happening? Ah! Okay. Oh no. I'm gonna die, please. Don't let me cause my death of that prop. Okay, luckily there's a. Okay, guys. Please don't cause my death.
Oh, please.
Ow! Help me! Please! No! What should I do first of all? Guys, we should subscribe if you want to survive. I think I'm gonna die here because I'm trapped. Help me! Okay, we're going outside. Let's go. Get off this thing. This is the worst. Oh no. Wow! Help me! Oh no! Whoa! Guys, I don't know what to do. What's this? Yeah. Gee. Okay, guys, let's go. I don't know. Why I open the door? Oh no! Oh no! Every fun. Oh, guys! Oh no! Guys, what should I do? Oh no! I'm risking for my life to survive. This is the end, guys. I think this is the end of me. Guys, I think it's the end of me. I think this is not the end. This is my first time dying. Guys, we have to make it. This is no choice. Oh, we're gonna die. Oh no. I guess this is the end. This This is the end of the Fox. He died from the. He died. Guys, we died. That's too bad. At least I'm in heaven now. Oh man, I died. But what's happening to me? Look at everyone. I'm in heaven. Look at everyone. Everyone is in. Guys, listen. I'm going to supplicate. Look at everyone. They survived except me because I'm stuck in the ship. But I'm now in heaven. Yeah, this is the end of me. Now I'm in heaven. In peace. So let's explore the lobby since we died in heaven. So let's go here, shall we? So we have the rec site. Ooh, the rec site. Let's try that. Look at them. They stayed. Except me. I died. I don't know what I do, but maybe forgot to happen. I guess this is the end after all. Maybe. This is goodbye. Take care everyone. For watching this video. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. And goodbye. Okay. Okay, guys. So, guys, we just off the sunset. Peace. This is deep. This is goodbye. And take a, oh. Okay, guys, since the Britannic went sink and I died from the ship with it, so let's end here, shall we? And thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to DK Vlog. So goodbye, stay sweet, bye!